Today's video is sponsored by Tula, so I'm going to walk you through my face cleansing process step by step. So the first step is remove my makeup, then I'm going to go in with the purifying cleanser. It's cruelty free and my code is Alexis. You can use that at checkout for 15% off. So yeah, let's get started. I interrupt this program to bring you today's sponsor, Tula Skincare. Their probiotics and superfood line is amazing. I've been using their glow spray and their purifying face cleanser as well as their sugar scrub. The sugar scrub is amazing, but today I'm going to show you how I use the cleanser. It's really just improved the overall health of my skin. I wash my face for about a minute and then I rinse it off. Something that I learned is that you don't want to completely dry your face when applying other products. So when I go in with the glow mist, my face is still a little damp, and the glow mist and the cleanser combined have helped fade my acne scars as well as protect my skin from blue light, which prevent my acne scars from darkening and helps with hyperpigmentation. Overall, the health of my skin has definitely improved, so thank you again, Tula. Back to the hair.